Jack here, and I've got with me the Potable Aqua with PA Plus water purification system. In the package, you get two kinds. You get the Potable Aqua water purification germicidal tablets and the Potable Aqua PA Plus water purification neutralizing tablets. These are the ones that are actually going to disinfect and clean the water for you so that it's safer to drink, and these are the ones that are going to help improve the taste and just give you a better overall experience drinking the water. Now, with these two containers of tablets, you're rated at about 25 quarts of treatment. They do recommend storing these in a cool, dry place. The nice thing is that there isn't an expiration date posted on these. Of course, shelf life does depend on how well you store them, but you don't have to worry about going out and buying new ones of these. If you've been keeping them in a go bag or a ready container, they should be good to go even after some time. Now, they do say you really only want to use these in an emergency. Obviously, get the best water that you can, but if you have no other options, these tablets really could improve your situation. Now, they do say that when you use these as directed, they do make most water bacteriologically suitable for drinking, and these are really popular with campers, hikers, militaries, emergency organizations, and anyone who needs to drink water of questionable bacterial quality. Now, you do want to add 2 tablets of Potable Aqua to 1 quart or liter of water and cap loosely to allow a small amount of leakage. You want to wait 5 minutes, shake the container to allow screw threads on the closure to be moistened, then tighten cap, wait 30 minutes before drinking. Now, the PA Plus neutralizing tablets are for use after the water has been treated with the Potable Aqua. You want to wait about 30 minutes after the addition of the Potable Aqua before using the PA Plus tablets. Adding the PA Plus tablets before 30 minutes may allow harmful bacteria to remain in the drinking water. So be careful and do not add the Potable Aqua and PA Plus tablets at the same time. And then it just says here, add 2 tablets of the PA Plus per quart of water, shake container well, wait 3 minutes before drinking, and the PA Plus tablets do not have to be completely dissolved to be effective. So basically what you're getting, the purifier and the tablets to make the water taste a little bit better.